Hey guys, Gaming at Max here. I just made this video to give you guys an idea on where you could purchase cheap and discounted in-game prices for your games if you're looking to do in-app purchases. So this is just a quick video I made to kind of promote this new campaign AppGallery is currently having right now. So this is the promotion right here. It's called Back to School and Play with AppGallery. This campaign starts from 6th of September throughout the 25th. And it says here, collect books for guaranteed prices. Now, these books are basically your entry to be able to do lucky draw, which we will see in just a bit. So let's go over what we have here real quick. So the first offer we have here is you get 10% points back for all purchases. It means when you purchase, let's say 50 euro, you get 10% of that back. So if you spend 50 euro, you get 5 euro back in a form of Huawei points. And basically when you get the 5 points, that would be equal to 5 euro. So to kind of show you that, let me go ahead and make some in-game purchases real quick and, get an entry book. So I'm on Noah's Heart right now. I'm gonna go ahead and make some purchase here. I'm gonna purchase Abe's Wishes. This one costs 4.99 euro. So you might be wondering why it's only 2.40 euro right here instead of 4.99. I actually got some coupons from the other campaign, the one that is exclusive for Noah's Heart. You can go ahead and click the video for that, somewhere on the screen right now if you're interested. But anyway, let's go ahead and purchase that. All right, and looks like it successfully went through. So let's go back to the campaign and see if we now have an entry book. Okay, so we're now back on the campaign page. Let's see here. I made a purchase in Noah's Heart game, right? So as you can see here, I have one book which I can use to do lucky draw. So let's go ahead and test our luck here. Okay, it looks like I got 0.1 euro coupon. Let's check if we really got that real quick. And yes, there it is. So I got lots of coupons here, by the way, but these are for Noah's Heart. I got them from the other campaign that is also, running for Noah's Heart. You can check my other video if you're interested in that. These are actually definitely free, by the way. You can just head to the link and, claim them. So you might be wondering, what about the Huawei points? Let me show you here real quick. So this is the Huawei points that I got here. I have a total of 10 points, which is equivalent to 10 euro. Let me go ahead and spend some of that real quick here. Let's go ahead and find something we can buy. Let's go ahead and buy this one. Once you get to this page, you can choose payment method. If you choose Huawei points, it'll get deducted to the current Huawei points balance you have. So that's just pretty much it. If you select that, pay, and there you go. So for the third offer, you could get a whopping 40% off if you exchange books for Huawei devices for you and your family. So let's say you spent a whole lot for in-game items that your books reached a total count of 3,200. You can exchange them for 21% off for Huawei P40 Pro. They've got 18% off for Huawei GT2, 20% off for Huawei Watch GT2 non-Pro version, and 21% off for a Huawei MatePad. Pretty cool, yeah? And there's still a lot more devices right here. So to kind of give you a guide on how to install AppGallery, it's actually pretty simple. You just gotta open your phone's browser, search for AppGallery. The first result you're gonna see on Google right there, like this one right here, is gonna be the page that you're gonna want to go to. Just tap on that. You'll see a download icon at the top left of the screen right there. Just tap on that. It'll download. It will start downloading AppGallery, and once you installed it, you're just gonna register if you don't have an account yet. Once you do, just log in with it. And once you're already logged in, you go to settings, you scroll down a little bit, and you see country and region right there. Tap on it and change it to any European countries. In my case, I've got it set to Finland. So that's pretty much how you take advantage of these promotions that AppGallery has been offering. So anyway guys, I hope you found that useful. and maybe informative. If you like the video, just hit the like button below, subscribe to the channel. That's it for me for today, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.